Yes, say hello, Anthony. Welcome to my LS. Good morning, my darling. Good morning to you, Augustine. What are you doing now? What?
Hamburger.
What is that, a burger?
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good day, yeah. I want to eat apple, mango salad, honey. Oh, you want to eat? Don't worry, I buy that for you. I buy that for you, Park.